When it's about meeting your favorite stars, fans करते हैं सब कुछ. ऐसा ही किया youngsters क्षितिज और रुचिका ने for प्राची देसाई. Children's movement for civic awareness को support करने के लिए किया इन दोनों young kids ने bid and won an evening over a cup of coffee with their favorite star, Prachi Desai. So let's see कैसा रहा इनका chit chat session.
Really, thank you guys that you volunteered. When I heard about it, I thought it was a lovely thing for me to be a part of. We do get an opportunity to be a part of, things like these charitable causes or something good that you want to do quite often. But I think this is really nice because it involves children a lot. It's CMCA.
Exactly. I'm so happy even you're associated with the same brand.
And I'm glad that you bid and you bid the highest. And for me, so that feels good.
I was lucky enough.
Yeah, probably. But really, thank you. Thanks a lot. And I think everyone who's a part of this, be it Zoom or be it us, be it anybody.
And be it CMCA for my fact.
Actually, CMCA, the whole team. I just want to say that they're doing a great job because they've been around for 11 years in Bombay for 8 years, and I hope that next year also I'm a part of this. You have to bid next year as well. Yeah?
Yeah, definitely. I'm going to go for their...
I'm
definitely going to go for all their events which they keep organizing.
Yes. We should actually.
Yeah,
we should.
Great. And the last time I was there, Rahul Dravid was there. It was really great.
Wow.
So it's really nice.
Yeah. And like I said, it involves children, and I think the idea is fantastic because
because civic awareness.
They are the youth. We are the youth.
You look pretty young compared to what actually on screen. I'm really surprised.
I hope you guys are recording that.
Really, oh my God, can't believe it.
Thank you. I hope that's a compliment. Of course.
Yes, of course.
Yeah.
Of course.
But really, thank you. I do get that a little often because I guess the kind of roles that I play, probably too mature or just very subtle or very character oriented. So when somebody sees me in normal life like that, they're a little taken aback and they're like, oh my God, you're so young. And I'm like, yeah, that's what I've been trying to tell people all this while. I actually, maybe it's a fortunate thing, but I started very, very young. I was in the 11th or 12th grade in Pune, and that's junior college. So while studying there, somebody told me to go do this audition, and I had my board exams forms to be submitted that time. So I said, no, I don't think this is the right thing to do right now. Even though I was all-hearted and really totally wanting to get a break or something like that. I said maybe next year because it's not the right time. So they said, but you just have to give it a try, do this for fun. I said, okay, let's do it for fun. And the next thing I know is that I'm in Bombay and I have to start shooting for a daily soap.
So how's your journey? How's your journey been?
From 11th, 12th grade
to now.
It's really, really been interesting. It's like a roller coaster ride. When you start out so young, you are not aware of anything, absolutely nothing. And little things like craving for say like your friends and company of certain people, and you want to bunk lectures, you want to think about pink shoes and small things like that. And all of a sudden you're thrown into this business where it's extremely tough because initially everybody else around you is so experienced and they're much older than you are. They have a certain amount of years that they've given to this profession.
Of being accepted by
so nervous. I have to tell you this, in the first 2 weeks, every day I used to think of just running away, switching off my phone and never coming back because it was that tough. But when you're passionate about it and you really want to be an actor, I mean, I always wanted to be an actor. I think that's the only reason I could sustain and do this. Otherwise, I think life just...
Have you done any courses or anything? There's so many, I keep reading that this actor has done this acting school and this.
I always wanted to, I never got a chance to. While I was in Pune, I knew I wanted to be an actor. So I kept thinking of options of what things I could do. I thought maybe I could do mass communication, maybe enroll myself in some kind of, an acting school or workshop or things like that. But before any of this, I got my first break. So I think just doing, working every day, doing episodes every day, that was the biggest learning school for me. It was lovely meeting you guys.
It was great.
Thank you, Ruchika.
Thanks for your time, Prachi.
Thank you, Kshitij. Really.
You so much.
Thank you for your time. Perfect.